Good morning, dear student. Dear student, today we shall learn and read about the function of CPU and parts of CPU, okay, and primary storage and secondary storage. Okay, student. So, parts of CPU. So there are three components of CPU, okay, so that work together to perform different processing operations. So first, CU, control unit, that's CU, and second, arithmetic and logic unit, arithmetic and logic unit, that's called ALU. Okay, student, yes. And third is memory unit, okay. So three parts of CPU, okay. So control unit, let's see the first. So the control unit control the functioning of different parts attached to the computer, okay. Yes, so it gives instruction to transfer data from input device to memory, primary memory, okay, student, yes. And ALU, so arithmetic and logic unit, all the mathematical calculation, comparison and logical operation are performed by arithmetic and logic unit, okay, student, yes. And logical operation use condition along with logical operation like and or not. And your third, memory unit, so data and instructions that are entered into the computer using input device are to be stored inside the memory unit. So unit is divided into two storage device. You know memory unit, that's first primary storage and second, that's a primary and secondary, okay, yes, primary and secondary storage, okay, student. So what is the primary storage? So primary storage is the internal storage of the computer, okay, yes. Primary storage is the internal storage of the computer. It holds data temporarily while computer processes it. It is also called as the main memory of computer. So student, primary memory divided in two parts. First RAM and second ROM, okay, student, yes. So RAM, that's random access memory. Random access memory is a primary computer memory, okay, student, yes. RAM is a primary computer memory, so that consists of memory chip, okay, student, yes. And about the ROM, read only memory, so you can read the information which is stored in it, that means computer, okay, but cannot write onto ROM, okay, student, yes. So this is a RAM. And you know that secondary memory. Secondary memory. So that means secondary storage stores the data permanently. The data stored in the storage cannot be erased when the computer is switched off. Okay. Yes, the commonly used secondary storage device just like hard disk, and chip, pen drive, CD, DVD. Okay, student. Here are many examples of secondary storage. Clear? Primary storage and secondary storage. And next topic is your hard disk drive. Hard disk drive. Hard disk drive. Student, you know that this is a secondary storage device. Okay. So hard disk drive is the main and usually largest data storage device on computer. Okay. The hard disk is located inside the system unit. Okay, student. Yes, hard disk drive, student, system unit. That's in your language CPU अंदर इनबिल्ट होता है. ओके, फिक्स होता है. Yeah, so that's hard disk is located inside the system unit and it can store a large amount of data. Okay, and that data capacity of hard disk are 10 GB, 80 GB, okay, 320 GB. So that's capacity is too much, okay, of the hard disk drive. So that 10 GB, so GB मतलब giga byte, student. Okay, 10 GB, 80 GB, okay, and 320 GB, okay, and 500 GB and 1 TB. Okay, student, look. अब क्या आ गया जीबी एंड आफ्टर टीबी. सो टीबी में टेराबाइट. ओके, यस, 1 terabyte. So that's, student, clear? Hard disk drive. So the hard disk is referred to as the C drive. Okay. यस, स्टूडेंट, ये लोकेटेड होता है कंप्यूटर के सी ड्राइव में. एंड द फर्स्ट हार्ड डिस्क वाज इन्वेंटेड इन 1956. ओके, 1956 बाय IBM. ओके, स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट हार्ड ड्राइव वाज इन्वेंटेड इन 1956 by IBM. Okay, and the other storage device, floppy disk. Okay, so floppy disk drive attached to the system unit also is used to store and retrieve data and information on floppy disk. But nowadays, student, this device is not used for the storage purpose. Okay, yes, a floppy drive disk is shape a rectangle shape. Okay, yes, and store data and information, but nowadays is not used in running. And third, CD, DVD. Okay, so that's compact disc and digital versatile disk. Okay, yes, so that are also used for the storage purpose. And your next main last point, ports. Student, port that means are the slots and holes at the back of the system unit, okay, into which the different computer devices are plugged. Yes, student, you saw the system unit or not? So let's look here. ओके, ये सिस्टम यूनिट के पीछे का भाग है स्टूडेंट. ओके, यस. सो दिस इज ए बैक पार्ट ऑफ सिस्टम यूनिट एंड हियर आर मेनी different slots and holes. Okay, yes. So this circle one holes used for keyboard and mouse, and that different holes for the USB port, and here monitor cable for monitor cable, and network purpose speaker, microphone, okay, and gaming purpose modem, and USB mouse port. Okay, so power port, this is a power port. So here are many holes and slots. Okay, student, in back side of system unit. Okay, student, yes. So that's complete your chapter. Not too much topic in this chapter. It is a very short chapter. Okay, yes. So let's revise the system unit. What is a system unit? So system unit is the most important part of the computer. Yes, clear about the system unit. System unit is the most part of the computer, and the system unit is also known as base unit. Okay, student, base unit. सिस्टम यूनिट के स्टूडेंट हम लोग बेस यूनिट के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. ओके, यस. सो सिस्टम यूनिट इज आल्सो नोन एज बेस यूनिट, and the motherboard is the main circuit board of a micro computer. Motherboard is the main circuit board of the microcomputer, and in shortcut name MOBO. Okay, student, yes. And then after CPU, central processing unit, is the brain of computer. CPU, brain of computer, student. Okay, सिस्टम CPU को स्टूडेंट ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर कहा जाता है. ओके, एंड द टू कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ CPU, ALU and CU. Okay, and then after RAM, so RAM is a primary memory and ROM. Okay, and secondary memory, that is a floppy disk, hard disk, drive. Okay, yes. So hard disk is the main largest data storage device. Okay, student, clear about the all topic. And student, so now let's start the question answer. Okay, so look the book. Your first question is MCQ. First question is the main, I'm not write the question. Okay, I will write only direct the answer. So the main circuit board of a microcomputer, so that's motherboard. Okay, student, motherboard is a right answer. And second question, the part of a system unit where most of the calculations take place, so that's CPU. CPU, and the speed of CPU is measured in megahertz. So third answer is first megahertz, and this is the third, and this is the second. And fourth, the slot and holes at the back of system units, that's called port. And fifth, the first hard disk drive was invented in 1956. 1956. Okay, student. So complete your MCQ question, and so please read the chapter and learn the question answer, and let's revise topic. Okay, yes. So thank you so much, student. Have a good day.